A quick disclaimer before we get into this video. I am not a qualified electrician. I've never gone to university or college or anything like that to be trained. I've only learnt from my own experience. So any terminology that I use that might be wrong, let me know in the video description in case I've got it totally wrong. And there are a couple of things I'm not sure what the meanings are, and I will ask you to let me know what they actually mean, because I don't know everything, you know. There are some things I don't know, but I do know how to change a plug or rewire a plug. I've learned that over the years. Something you just learn, or you watch YouTube or something like that, how to change a plug. But I actually learned how to change a plug before YouTube was about anyway. So with that, let's get on with the actual review then. So first things first, this is from KFN-30J, and yes, it was sent to me the same as the other crimping tool that I've done previously before this, but this is a crimping set. It's not just one piece, it's actually a set, and I will go through it and I will give you a demonstration of how easy it is to actually use. So one of the things I liked about this company is this little bit of document that comes with it. I'm going to quickly read it out. It's not long, so don't get too frustrated. So they started this year. They was founded in 2021. This is 2021 now of making this video, and it says on here, KFN-30J is a new growing company dedicated to wire connectors and crimping tools. We always maintain enthusiasm, focus, rigour and seriousness in our products. So hopefully it is good quality. We will be testing it out, having a quick look around and see what the quality is like. So it comes in a nice plastic case, as you can see, and I think, yeah, wasn't expecting it to be, you know, metal or made of gold or anything like that. You know, you'd expect it in a plastic case anyway. So it has some jaw applications. Now the WFs, I have no idea what the WF stands for, but you might do, so let me know in the video comments. So it has from 35W down to 10W. I'm guessing that's a 10N, 04B, 125 and 2546. Again, I have no idea what that means. It means nothing to me, but you might do. It says it's an 8-piece, but I say it's a 9-piece, and I'll get to that in a second. So it comes with a stripper, you know, a wire stripper for stripping your wires. There's a little locking mechanism on it, this little baby here, to keep it closed, which I thought, well, it looks all right. And I'm going to go through that in a second, because there's a couple of bits on here. Again, I don't know what they mean. Comes with the actual crimping tool with some jaws already on it, and it has a quick release mechanism, this little baby here. So you press a button in, pull them out. Press a button in, pull them out. Very easy. Now it says it comes with 6 jaws. Well, actually it comes with 7, doesn't it? Because there's one already on the crimping tool. Now I know what you're going to be saying, yeah, but you wouldn't buy a crimping tool without a set of jaws on it, which is true. But looking at that, 3, 6, plus that one, plus these 2, I'll make it 9. I'm saying it's 9, but yeah, could be. We are going to be using the actual ones that are already on there, but I'm going to quickly show you just random ones, how easy it is to swap them over. So it doesn't really matter which way round you put them, as long as you put them on with the same number. So these are the 03Cs, yeah. So they go on there really easy, and they work, yeah, very easy. Now then, I know someone's going to ask, what about if you're left-handed? Good point. No, I think it's a good point. So turn it around. There you go. Works exactly the same. Okay, so hope that sorts out any issues that people might have on anything like that. Again, works really easy. So like I said, I'm going to be using these ones. Really easy to swap over jaws. And if you're crimping something and you think, oh no, I made a mistake, got the wrong jaws on. Got a quick release button there, or lever. Just push that up and job done. Saves you going through and having to change it all over again. Also, you've got an adjustable screw there, if you like, call it a screw, to tighten it or loosen it as well. But it seems to be set perfectly, and it has a little set locks that's set to there. But like I said, if you want to quickly release it for whatever reason, you're getting down, you think, oh, I made a mistake, just press that in, job done. Yeah, very easy to do, even though my fingers are a little bit too big when I go too far in. That's better. Right, so I've got that out of the way. So let's do an actual test. Quality wise is what I would expect anyway. They look really nice. Don't forget, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. So for this test, we're going to use a blue cable. Let's have a look at the stripper. So it has some features on it which I thought were really handy, like a little hole there for cutting your cable. So you just put it through there, go down to the size you'll want, and I want down there, and then just squeeze together without cutting that, all that. That cuts really easy. I'm going to do the yellow one as well. Same again with the yellow. Right, 2 bits of cable. Now then, question number 1, or number 2, whatever it is. What's that for? What does that do? I have no idea. It's like a little blade in there. But does it mean that you can put a cable in like that and it will cut it? I don't know, because I don't know what it does. Also, these little things here, this 1.5 to 2.5, what do they do? I don't know. I'm asking you. I know what these do. This is an actual cutter itself as well. Yeah. And these are for stripping off the actual outer casing, which I'm going to be using right now, 1.5. I think that's about the right size. Get it like that, give it a bit of a twist, squeeze it together, and hopefully give it a little pull. Job done. Perfect. Same with the yellow one. About there. Yeah, give it a little twist, give it a little pull. Job done. Yeah, very easy to do so far, no problems there whatsoever. I have a couple of connections that I'm going to be using, so I'm going to push that in. Hopefully it will just crimp, no problems. We're going to use it on the red. Set that in, make sure you push your cable in, squeeze it, job done. I might have done that too long, but it bloody holds. That's not coming out. So that's one done, and same with the blue. Get it in place. Crimping tool, see that? Squash it together. Job done, and that's holding. Let's see if they go in together. I know it's in the way, but oh no, it still fits. I mean, that's what you really want to know, if it's going to hold, isn't it? Yeah, that's definitely going to hold. So as you can see, it works perfectly. I might have done the actual cutting of the sleeve too long, but we're only testing it, and it does the job perfectly. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, because that one's a little bit long, I'm going to get another one out, my little set. And I do believe it's one of those. Is that right size? Yes. My little set. I'm going to do the other end. So we need to quickly strip it. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter this time. About there. Give it 12. Little pull. Really easy to do. Oops. Get this out. Plonk it in there. Is that a little bit too long? Maybe. Cut a little bit off, shall I? Yeah. Take a little bit off. Not too much. So easy. That's better. Might be too short, but you know, we're just playing about. Crimper. Job done. Put that in. That's in. And yeah, that is definitely holding. No issue with that whatsoever. Definitely holding. So, in my opinion, does everything it's supposed to do. Quality wise is what I would expect. A nice bit of quality. I do like these handles on these though. I think they're very nice. You know, and that one's very nice as well, but this is better. Okay, just my personal opinion. So yeah, very pleased with them. Also like the case. I like the fact it tells you what size jaws you've got in there, even though I don't know what they actually mean. And yeah, go in there really nicely. A little bit tight on this one, but you don't want it to be loose, do you? You don't want it to be rattling away. So that is everything you get. I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. I will also stick a link into their Amazon store, the KFN-30J, their store on the Amazon. I will stick a link into the actual store just in case you want to buy a different product from them. But like I said, they do, like it says on here, they do crimping tools and connectors. Okay, so you might want connectors, I don't know. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think of the video. Let me know in the comments what some of the terminology is, like what does the WS stand for and things like that. What does that little knife thing do? Let me know in the comments if you know, because I don't. So with that, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up and please subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever. It does help the channel to keep growing. Thank you very much for watching.